Hi everyone, I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Anyone new to this channel, my name is Dai, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favourite dishes growing up. This is a yakitori rice bowl. Sweet and savoury chunks of juicy yakitori chicken, served with shredded egg, charred spring onions, garlic sesame spinach, spicy kimchi, and roasted nori seaweed. You definitely don't want to miss this one. Without doubt, one of my favourite donburi rice bowls. Now let's crack on. First, take one spring onion and remove the roots. Then slice into thick pieces, around 3 centimeters in length. Take a half sheet of roasted nori seaweed, typically used for making sushi rolls. Cut into 4 equal rectangular pieces. Next, take the pile of 4 nori pieces in your left hand in between your thumb and index finger. Rest the bottom part of the scissors on your left middle finger. Then, whilst moving only the top blade of the scissors, slowly move the nori to your right with your thumb and index finger. With this technique, you'll quickly achieve very thin and even slices. Next, crack 1 egg into a bowl. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar and add a little bit of salt. Then mix lightly. Into a pan on a low to medium heat, add a small glug of cooking oil. Once hot, spread the oil with some kitchen paper and remove the excess oil. Add your egg and spread evenly to the edges of the pan. Burst any bubbles that may form with some chopsticks or spatula. Once half cooked, flip over the egg and continue to fry until cooked through. Then transfer to a chopping board. Once cooled, fold over and slice thinly. Into a pot of salted boiling water, add a large handful of fresh spinach and boil for a few seconds. Next, drain the hot water from the spinach and rinse in cold water until it's cooled down, and then squeeze all of the water from the spinach. Into a bowl, add half a tablespoon of sesame oil to the spinach. Add a small clove's worth of grated garlic. Add a teaspoon of toasted sesame seeds. Add a pinch of salt. Then finally mix well. Take 2 chicken thighs and cut into half lengthways. Then cut into 8 equal pieces. Each piece should be around this size. Into a fry pan on a high heat, add a glug of cooking oil. Once hot, add your pieces of chicken thighs. Season with some salt and white pepper. Then fry for 2 to 3 minutes before turning over. Continue to fry for a further 2 minutes, then add only the thick parts of the spring onion. Fry for 30 seconds. Then add the remaining spring onion, then fry for a further 30 seconds. Next, add around 75 milliliters of teriyaki sauce. Turn the heat to low and cook until the sauce has thickened. You can find the full recipe for teriyaki sauce by clicking on the corner icon. All that's left is to plate up this bad boy. So I hope you enjoyed watching that video. Let's dig in. I'm absolutely famished. Try and get everything in one bite. Got this spring onion, spinach, some egg, beautiful kimchi. Yes. Itadakimasu. Wow. That is good. Always chase with some rice. Gonna try this chicken on its own. Nice and succulent in the middle. Beautiful sweetness, savouriness from the soy sauce. Nice caramelization on the outside. Nice char from when I fried it. And then you've got all these elements like the spring onions. You've got the acidity from the kimchi. Beautiful sesame oil from the spinach. These eggs are nice and creamy. Nice and bouncy. The kimchi and the spinach give a lovely crunchiness to the dish. Nice texture. But the real star of the show is definitely the chicken. Oh, who doesn't like yakitori chicken? Oh, look at that chicken glisten. So succulent in the middle. Got nice char on the outside when I pan fried it. This dish is a perfect balance between sweetness and savoury. I'm sure some of you have noticed my wardrobe change. It's absolutely sweltering in here. It's about over 40 degrees, I would say. It's 36 degrees outside. So forgive the sweatiness. But my enjoyment of this food is definitely exceeding the discomfort from the heat. Let's go again. Kimchi, it's gonna be a big one. Spinach, some eggs. It's delicious. Obviously today I've added the spinach, kimchi and the eggs. To be honest, bowl of rice just with the chicken itself, that's still good. This is completely optional, but I'm going to drizzle some mayonnaise on top. I know it's going to be good. Mayonnaise and teriyaki sauce are best friends, trust me. Such a good combination. Best of friends. Thanks for watching everyone. If you haven't already subscribed, please click the subscribe button and to like the video if you enjoyed it. Until next time. Bye bye.